They're not running the carousel right now. I'm just walking around it, and so you can see the different horses, and there's a tiger, a horse. There's a goose. There's all kinds of critters. There's an ostrich over there. You can see his head sticking up. There's some more horses. Horses more than anything. A little Easter Halloween display there, but Halloween's over now. And here's the Michigan. There's a Michigan horse there, gold blue horse. See that? I didn't know that. See, I show you. Michigan. Gold blue. I'm gonna go right on around here. Just some more horses. There's a pretty horse there. There's a giraffe. There's a giraffe there.
Nobody in? Nobody in?
There's a prehistoric bird back there.
Are there ghost
Yeah.
people? On the...
There's a seahorse. See, it looks like a horse, but it's got a fish tail on it. Yeah. There's a stork. You can ride the stork, carry the baby. See there? Here's the baby, carry the baby. And there, see? There you go. There's a fish over there. See the fish? Over there's a fish. There goes another ride right there. There's a dolphin there. See? Dolphin. Oh, they got all kinds of critters in here. There's a pink flamingo up there. You can ride on him. Here's the little lady that does all the work right here. This is the working lady here. She's the busy one.
I'm the one that collects the money.
She's the rich one.
Yeah. Are you visiting us from out of town?
No, I'm from Buchanan.
Oh, that's right around the corner.
Yep. Michigan State.
Again, reminder, I want you to visit our concession stand. We have a lady selling popcorn at 50 cents.
Where's your Notre Dame horse at?
We didn't have anybody came up with the money to pay for having one put on there.
Holy Lito, they're the rich people over there.
I know, but nobody came up with the money for it.
Oh man, that's a bummer.
You'd be surprised how many people asked us about a Notre Dame.
Man, oh man. Them cheap old Notre Dame people. Well, I'm going to get on out of here. They ain't going to fire it up. There's nobody here to ride it right now. So there's a seat. You can go on there and sit on there and go, Stacy, right there. They got big wide seats you can sit on and go on it. Big seats. Oh, here, I got to get up here. There's a panda bear here. I forgot to see that. Now, see, there's a panda bear. Look at there. You can ride on the panda bear even. Well, I'm going to turn her off and scoot on out of here, and I'll come back.
Did you hear our old band organ play?
Oh yeah.
Did you?
I was out there taking the pictures of the old Silver Beach scene, you know, from when we was kids. We used to play there.
Say, did you grow up around here?
Oh yeah. I used to come over here and play at Silver Beach all the time when I was a kid.